Hey, it's the FYI guy here today. I'm working on some Christmas lights. These lights were outside last year. They were in the rain, snow, etc. And I made a couple repairs, but I want to show you this one repair. I have a bulb that's out. Sometimes when there's a bulb out, in this case, it's only affecting one bulb. But sometimes you'll get a bulb out and it'll affect 5, 6, 8, 10 bulbs. But let's take a look at this bulb and see what's going on. You got to pull it out. There's a little tab that needs to be released right here. Release that tab. Pull this bulb out. And you can see without this bulb, I lost about 15, 20 lights or more with it being out. So looking at this bulb, you can see the rust on the contacts. And there's rust inside the base, and it's preventing this bulb from lighting with the bad contact. So we're going to clean this up, and hopefully it's going to start working. I need to unplug it, so that's what we need to do. Okay, I went ahead and unplugged it. The whole line is out. I'm going to take this file. You can pick this file up probably on Amazon. Hopefully I'll come up with a link. But it's a small pointed file. I'm going to get in here and clean these contacts out. Okay. And then I'm going to file this rust off of this connection here. You can see the little wire there that has to make the connection. This side isn't so bad, but this side is where all the rust is. Okay. I cleaned the connections on the inside of this base, and I filed the rust off of the connections on the bulb. So let's see if it's going to work. Oh, bulbs still don't work. So we may have a bad bulb. Let's see. I got some spares here. I got a white spare. I don't have a green, but I got a white. Let's see what that does. Okay, so after cleaning inside the base here, putting a new bulb in, tells me that bulb's bad. So in order to, you don't want a white bulb in the middle of all your green. So in order to change the globe, go ahead and pull it out. Might be best to turn it off because you got a hot opening here. But I'm going to set this on the ground, on the floor there. And what we're going to do is I'm going to take these pliers. You want to grip it. You want to grip it on this plastic here. You don't want to get up into your contacts, but grip it on this plastic here, and then kind of it just pops in there. You want to pop that out. See, take that clear bulb off. Same thing with the bad bulb, the green one. Just kind of turn it to loosen it up. Pop it out of there. It should come out of there. This one's a little bit on the rusty side. Get it out of there. I'm boogering the whole thing up because it's all rusty is the problem. It's a bad bulb anyway. There you go. So there's that globe. Now I'm going to put it back on the good base in the good bulb. These are LED. And you can see it just kind of pops in. It's got a little groove in it. It just pops in there. Try to get that sucker in there. There, it just popped in. Okay, so now you got your green bulb to go with the rest of your green, and it should work. There you go. Snap the lock in. Get it in there as good as the tighter you can get them in there, the more waterproof it's going to be. Snap that in. Now the whole line's working. I hope that helps. See you next time.